If your Messenger messages aren't sending or are stuck, here is a complete guide to fix it quickly on mobile. First, you need to go ahead and check the internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly and switch networks to see if messages go through. You can also try restarting Messenger and your device. If the Messenger application is opened, go ahead and close it completely from the background and restart it. Or you can also restart your phone. Then reopen Messenger and try sending the messages again. Now open Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then simply search for Messenger application. And once you find it, and if you see an update button over there, something like this, tap on it in order to update it to its latest and newest version available, as outdated apps often cause sending issues. You can also check the message status. If you see a red exclamation mark, which means message is failed to send, and if the person blocked you or deactivated their account, messages won't send. Confirm with another friend or account. You can also try disabling VPN or proxy. VPNs or proxy servers can block Messenger connections, so turn them off and try again. Go ahead, open any web application, then simply search for messenger.com. Go ahead, sign into your account, and start using it. You can also try uninstalling the Messenger application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's how you fix the Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Try these steps one by one, and your chats should start going through normally. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.